I'm going to show you guys how to do a batch conversion of image files to any other image file or to a PDF file. I use this for making proxy cards for Magic the Gathering. First, you want to go to irfanview.info, and you're going to want to download the Windows installer and the Windows plugins installer. And then install the setup one first. I usually just have it go to program files. And then you want to do the plugin one second, and I usually have it just go to the downloads file. And then copy everything over, and then just paste it into the plugins folder on the main one. Normally I would just highlight it all and then paste it on top of that. And then you should be good to go. I have about 930 something images I'm going to turn into decks for Magic the Gathering. So these are all the random JPEG and PNG files I have. Different sizes, everything. And then I will do a quick test one here. Just do one picture just to show you what it looks like. And then I will batch out the entire 900 some pictures. I found this after days of trying to figure out how to batch out image files into the right format, into the right size. Every time I did an image format and then change it to PDF, the PDF always changed the size of my pictures, no matter what I did, no matter what option I had. So I found this on Reddit, and then I had to learn how to do all this. So if you're doing Magic, these are the settings you would go. Here's some bleed on the outside of the picture, just so you can make sure everything looks good. But you can literally change this to any type of picture you want. So if you have PNG, JPEG, RAW, you can convert it to whatever you want, and you can do as many pictures as you want. So here you go. It's now the same size of an actual Magic the Gathering card. Make sure there's no loss of quality to these. And then I also have LibreOffice installed, so it can actually go in and show you the exact dimensions of each image. So it's 2.5 by 3.5, which is what I want for bleed. So I'm going to delete these out, and then I'm going to batch over all 930 some images into PDF files, because that's what my local printmaker likes the images in. Yeah, 933. So that's what he likes when his program runs off PDF files, so I have to batch convert everything into that. But you can literally just pick any kind of image format you want here. It's very nice. Yeah, he has to do the front and back double-sided cards in a separate folder, so I'm not doing that right now. And this goes by pretty quick, but for 900 some images, it'll take a minute, so we'll just skip ahead to the end of this. And we are done. We'll exit out. And I just picked a random one, and you can just click on it, and 2.5 by 3.5, which is perfect for proxy cards. And there is no loss of quality to any of these images when we do it this way. Again, this would work for any format. So if you have a bunch of PNGs or a bunch of raw files that you need to convert it over to something else, or if you're just dealing with PDF files in general, this is a perfect program to use to do this.